Hi everyone, this is Anil. I am from Time Watch Infocom Private Limited Company. Now, lot of installers feeling with how to install IAS software and how to know that software features. So regarding that, I created one video. Please check now. Open software admin login. After login, if you want to download new version, you can click yes. Otherwise, no. Now this is latest version, so I click now no button only. Now first, this is the real-time monitor. If you want to send automatically SMSs to anyone, you have to enable it. Otherwise, you can minimize this one. And now go to devices. First, we need to add device. So select device. Then go to device management. Then by default one device is added. So open the device and select what is the model for biometric. And now I have ZK Tico device. So that device have IP address 8.201. So now click get. It will shows that serial number. So same my computer and device is connected to the same network. So that's the reason I got a serial number. So now click device and check device status. It is online. So user count also here displaying how many fingerprints registered here showing. So now go to logs management, then select device. Then first of all read date and time from device. This is the time for date and time in device. So now I am setting my time, my system time to device time. So set date and time and close. Now go to company master, go to company, then open by default it one is there. So edit that, enter your company name. So whatever you want, then type. And my company name is Time Watch Infocom Private Limited. So I type here Time Watch. So Delhi. My company is Delhi located. So save. So open master and next location. Then edit that one and enter location. Delhi. Save. Department. Here. If you want create more departments, you can click to here add new department, then type 002 sales, like save. Like how many of departments you want, you can type yourself. Okay, save. Then go to master and now it is the main. So go to shift and here by default two shifts are added. So I edited S01 department. (10 o'clock to 6 o'clock) my office times. So 00. So remaining all are 0. I can save. It is a general shift time. So here I edited. It is an A shift time. For example, in your hospital or in your hotel system is there. So there ABC shift was there. So I can mention here A shift 6 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So all are zeros. Save. Then click again. S03. It is a B shift. So 14 to 8 o'clock. So 10 o'clock. So remaining all are zeros. Overtime rate after 23:59. It is mandatory. So overtime start after also zeros, 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 save. And now click C shift timing 22 6 o'clock 8 overtime 8 of it is a mandatory field, so 0 zeros 0 zeros 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 save. Okay, it is a night shift now, so night save. Sorry, I created already H03, so it is showing H03 already created, so H04 I want to create 22 6 8 0 0 0 0 0 2359 0 0 0 0 zeros night shift zeros zeros save. So in my company one general shift is there, 3 ABC shift are there. If you have only one shift you can create only H01, remaining not required. Okay, now shift is created, so now grade is not important. If you want to create grade also you can create. Why? Because this one is used for school system only. Okay, so go to master and click employee group, then delete and edit first one NRTC. This one is in general group, so I now I am creating general group for general group. So here I am permission letter I am not giving 0000, so must round the clock enable, and consider time also zeros. These three present marking duration, maximum working hours of short day. These three must should zeros. Then applicable overtime. If they work more than shift hours, it will show. So enable overtime also. Then now go to shift. Now general have only one shift now, so shift type is fixed. So I selected H01 shift only. None. Save. Now go to this one is very important. Permission LE auto shift. It should be must 0. Duplicate check minutes. If anyone can punch more than 2 punches, it should be 0. If anyone can not more than 2 punches, it should be 5. 5 minimum. Within 24 hours it will work on end time for in punch 5 hours, end time for next day out punch for 5 hours. It is not a problem. So permission early minimum auto shift 0 must, permission late auto shift also 0 must. Is absent allowed also enable it. Now please enable auto absent allowed. Is auto absent if in punch and out punch is not there, it's that person has that day is automatically absent allowed. Save. Yes. Now I created general group, and now I want to create ABC shift. So I select group name also ABC shift. I'm not giving any permissions like 10 minutes, early 10 minutes, early departure, late arrival. So here I'm giving maximum working hours in a day 16 hours, not 18 hours. So 8 hours A shift time, 8 hours B shift time, so totally 16 hours, but I'm giving 2 hours more time, more overtime also. So now half day marking and short living marking. So here all are zeros. Sorry, multiple punch enable must, overtime applicable yes. Shift, it is a mandatory field. So now here I select fixed. Here I select one shift 02 and in down run auto shift command I enabled. Now here I select A, B, C shift. So while we are selecting A, B shift, if that employee, that person will applicable. So Sunday is not mentioned. So week of I tick on none. So here I put in zeros. So is auto absent allowed? So here the main. So now C shift time is 22 to 6 o'clock. Yesterday that punch will be out punch in today punch. So now here I am giving 8 o'clock. So what happened? Before 8 o'clock he did punch na. So that the punch will come under 2 before they punch. So 8 o'clock and save. Yes. Now I created general timings and general group and ABC shift group. So now I am going to employee. After created a device all user data, I am downloading to device. So import from device. I am click on import from device option. One dialog box appear. Please select that dialog box and import employees from the device. In the device, the employee data will be downloaded in our employees portal. Here number 1, number 2 employees are there. So here what I am doing, open employee name, employee 1 and delete entering employee name Anil. Then join it. If you want to create join it, you can create, otherwise leave it. Now here I select company name and location Delhi, department. Now here the mandatory field department, which department he will work on, that department, select it. And now employee group, this is the main field for that shift assigning function. So here you select which shift, which group he will work. Designation, if you want enter designation, you have to enter techno cells. Save. These all are your if you want it you can type, otherwise leave it. Save. Yes, save. And open number employee ID 2. So here also same employee name Babu and select select department and employee group. Which shift he will work, select employee, which shift he will work, select employee group. And date of joining, if you want to create, otherwise save. And yes, now it is created. This is the now what I am doing, that employee name also display in the device, biometric device now. So I am exporting to device. So now if I can punch on device, my number and my name also displayed. So now I am going to data process. After creating employee data and employee shifts and everything, after that go to admin portal and click on data process option, then select create and update and process. This is the one time. If you want to create any new new things or any changes will have appear on the software, then you have to go on admin and data press, then create update process you do must. Now it is over. So now what I am doing, close the software, and now second part is how to get reports daily. So every day open software and enter username and password, login. If you want to download new version, click on yes, otherwise no. It is your option. No. Now before that going to reports, you have to check whether device is online or not. So now I am going to device management, select device. Now checking device status. Yes, it is an online. Now what I am doing, again selecting device, again select device and click new logs. Here I here I click all logs because this is my first installation, so I click on all logs. So next time onwards I click on to new logs, click new logs. This is my, yes, I because you always click on all logs, it will take more than lot of time, so you click only new logs. Okay, now go to reports, and if you want to go daily or monthly, your wish. Now I am selecting daily report. So here I am selecting daily performance report and select date. And if you want PDF or Excel or test command, whatever it may be you want, you can select and select code number. I will code number and OK, then generate. Yes. Now exporting, but my suggestion is you have to go export with formatting option. I will show you how. This is a large scale of data will come, but it is a little bit confusing, so you need to go export with formatting. So this format will useful for you. Why? Because this is, you can give in also print also like this. So here which shift he will attend and how much, what is the shift time, start time, and what is the exact time he entered, in time and out time. Status mispunch means he did second punch is not there now, so here mispunch is there, status mispunch is showing. Out punch is not there, so automatically status mispunch is showing. So if in case of any mispunches failure, you need to do manual punch also. So here now Babu enter in 11 o'clock, he out punch also 11:18. So total working hours will be showing here. So this is the formats, whatever formats you want, take it. Machine raw punch means in machine have punches out there, cross checking. In machine raw punches he did 11:21 one punch, and second person Babu 11:3 and 11:18 punches are did. How many punches they do, it will shows like that punch raw punches report. This is not a software report, this is a device report. in device, how many punches we have to punch on the device, it will shows mission raw punch. Now go to reports, and now I am opening monthly report. Click on frame date to date, then select employee wise performance report, then select whatever it may be, Excel or PDF, whatever you want you can select, and OK. And frame date and to date generate like this one. So now I'm respond with formatting. Now check total 31 days or 6 days or whatever it may be. Now select performance register also. This is in total absentees or presentees, like you will show here. This is the report for total 31 days report like that. So in punch timing, out punch timing, and total working hours timing, OT timing, in totally present status, absent or present. Here it will shows. Yes. And next, employees performance is there, master role is there, early departure is there, lot of reports are there, whatever it may be. What reports you want, you can take it and yourself. My suggestion is employee based performance report is the minimum basic report. This is employee based attendance details. So here only we can know how many presents are there in monthly, how many absent are there in monthly wise. Now we are in time watch, we have developed new things, customization report. If anyone they want, they have to select fields and they have to generate their own report, like select if you want date and employee pay code, employee name, then how what department you want work. Otherwise you if you want to select it, otherwise in time and at what time he come, at what time he goes, and how many hours he worked, and what is the status, is present or totally absent or miss punch, he did miss punch. So I selected customization report format, and I'm selecting monthly basis, monthly report. Then here we can find customization report format. So I select it and I generate it. So here what fields I selected here will display only. So expect with formatting. Yes, now this is my selected rows and columns. What the report I want to, I will get, I want it, I will get. Yes. Now this is reports for daily report and monthly report, customization report formats, and transactions also there. Transaction means what? If anyone can miss second punch, we go to transaction and select manual punch, then times, select employee code, and select punch time also. Then it will post. So transaction manual entry. So I will select one employee Anil. Okay. Now what I am doing, that miss punch is there now, so I am selecting tool punch time post. Okay. So remarks. In remarks also you can put I will first. put he is going out or some professional or office purpose, anything. Post punch, I did post punch. So here you can find he did manual punch, so S here is manual punch now, so it is showing Y. Yes. So that punch is raw punch, machine punch na, so N. So in 12 o'clock punch, it is a manual punch, so it is showing Y. So go to daily report and daily performance report and Excel or PDF, whatever it may be, you will select and OK, generate it. Now it is showing. Go to export format or export with formatting. Both are options. Here you will find manual punch option also. I will show you where you can find. This is in time, this is in out time, and arrival time. Here you will find this is in manual punch. So here only we can display Y. Y means he do manual punch. So assign manual punch. This is the manual punch assigning. So now I'm closing Excel sheet. And next, if you want to go PDF, also PDF. This one is an PDF. I selected PDF format. So like we'll get this report. Here also we're getting manual punch. Yes. Now, if anyone having doubts with us, please contact Anil at timewatchindia.com, and my mobile number is 8448091067. Regarding any sales or any technical, if you want contact me. My name is Anil, and I am repeating again, my name is Anil. I am from TimeWatch Infocom Private Limited Company. My phone number is 8448091067. Thank you very much. Thank you.